What's up guys, Anubhav here. Welcome back to a brand new video here on the channel. And video editing is something that we've been doing for a long time now, and with the current generation smartphones being excessively good at raw performance, I think a good video editing application that is also free to use and does most of the things that you could do on a computer is something that we need in our daily lives now more than ever. Now on that note, today's video we're going to be talking about probably the only video editing app that you can use on your Android device for absolutely free. With that said, in case you guys like this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and without any further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so the app that we're talking about is obviously Filmora Go from the guys over at Wondershare. Now I've been using this application for a long time, and it has been literally the only app that has consistently been good at all the tools and the quirks that you need when you're editing a video on your phone. Now straight up, once you open it up and create a new project, you can browse different files from the different sections of your phone. And one of the good things that I've noticed here is that it doesn't just import the entire clip into the timeline. Once you select a clip that you want to add, you can actually go ahead and select different clips as well as trim the duration of a particular clip. Now once you're done with that, you hit on the next button, and essentially the app is going to process all of the data that you just fed to it using different kinds of videos and throw it in your timeline. To do that, it does take a little bit of time. However, it is totally dependent upon how many files have you selected and what is the resolution of those files. Now once you are done with the processing page, you'll be greeted with the main editor page, and over here at the bottom you can obviously configure every clip separately and different parts of the clip. We'll get to that later, but the main editing panel is this one on the right, which says different options such as music, transitions, edit tools, themes, etc. Now if we start with one of them, and the first one, which is essentially themes is essentially sort of a montage template creator which lets you put forward a look that has been created by the guys over at Wondershare, and you can edit your videos using that theme. I wouldn't really recommend it since it is more of a montage creator and you don't really have a lot of flexibility. But if you go to the transition, which is also found in the same tab, you can add transitions between different clips, and honestly transitions such as the expansion and the division have to be some of the best I've ever seen when it comes to editing a video directly on your phone. Now as far as single clip controls are concerned, you can click on any clip inside your timeline and control different aspects of it, such as the voiceover, adding subtitles, filters, overlays, titles. If you select on titles, there's again a different preset section where you can select a title that has already been created and is a template, and all you have to do is simply add in your text. I'm just going to type demo here for demonstration purposes, and once you're done with the titles, you can again hit on OK, and it just brings you back to the earlier page. You can control things like speed and slow down a clip if it's at a higher frame rate, and using these arrows you can also quickly navigate between the different types of clips that you have imported. Now last but not the least, you've got something called ratio/corp, and this is something I particularly enjoy. In case you guys want to get that 21:9 cinematic black bar look, you can just tap on the aspect ratio and you'll be done with that. Now once again, the sheer amount of inlays and overlays that you can apply to every single clip as well as transitions and music from their library is crazy, and I think you guys should definitely check it out. Now once you're done with all of that, all you have to do is hit on the save button. It's gonna take a lot of time. You'll be able to see the real-time rendering in the background, and once the project has been completely saved, it does come with a watermark in case you're using the free version. However, I think a small watermark is not a huge price to pay for such manual controls on your phone. Once you're done with that, you can either save it to camera roll or directly share it to Instagram, YouTube, WhatsApp, or your preferred choice of media consumption and sharing platform. But all in all, this is honestly one of those applications that I have featured numerous times on this channel, and it's just an app that does get better with time and does what it says to do very, very well. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this nifty application. I hope this video interests you guys, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to the channel. Until then, this is Anubhav signing out. I'll catch you guys next time. You guys have a great day. Peace out.